Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here. If you have stuff in your house and it's plastic and it's dull looking and it gets dirty easy and it's hard to clean, check this out. This has been done for quite some time now. This is dull and nasty, and this is beautifully shined, and it will stay that way for years. Peel this tape off and you can get a really good idea. See that?
Yes.
Consuelo, move around there a little bit and see if we can. And let me show you how easy it is to do that right there. Follow me. Alright, so we're in the kitchen. We've got a coffee maker. It looks nasty on one side. No matter how much you clean it, it looks bad. With that, I gotta remind you, our contest is coming up on the 1st of July. We're gonna go down through our subscriber list. You can win on multiple channels. Sweet Scoots, Sweet Project Cars, Mr. Know-It-All, Sweet Motor Homes. You can win on all those multiple times. We're going to just scan down through the comments, pick somebody that commented, and we're gonna scan down through our subscribers, find somebody, and contact you and let you know that you want a sample. And as the samples are concerned, it only takes a tiny little bit of this stuff. You don't drench it down, as I've said before, like you would WD-40. Just a tiny little drop, and that sample will last you for a very long time. Some of you will get wheel bearing grease, and some of you will get choke tube lube, which is the same stuff. We just got a bunch of stuff, and the grand giveaway is going to be huge. One person will win that, the grand giveaway, and that'll be in a while because we got so many samples to send you free of charge. If you live out of the country, make sure you get somebody who's in the country to ship it to you, because I wish we could ship it to all our great people in Egypt and Africa and Germany and Ireland and Australia. Tons of great people in Australia. Canada. Got a great bunch of people up in Canada, and we love all of our subscribers. So make sure you're connected again to all the channels so you can win multiple times. We're just going to scroll down through and boom, right through the comments. If there's a comment you made, we're going to scroll down, pick your name, contact you, tell you you won. Send us your address, we'll send it to you. We're not trying to spam. You'll probably never hear from us again via email or via comments when it concerns this. Privacy is important. Now, back to the video. You see this coffee maker. And you turn it on this side right here. You see how nasty that is? And that's where the hot water gets warmed up in there. Now you've seen the fan. All you do is take this stuff here. I'm going to use the glove they gave us. We usually use our steel gloves. Julio, tell everybody again where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Antonio. What was the other guy's name?
Lopez.
Lopez, Clint Eastwood. Yeah, he loves Clint Eastwood. So all I do is this.
Will this make your appliances last longer?
Oh, it will.
And plastics and everything?
And guys, this will keep your mother-in-law off your back. Oh, that looks horrendous. Don't you ever clean your house? Yes, mother-in-law, I do. Look at that. And that will stay like that for years and years and years and years and years times 100. It wipes on, and you'll want to, if it's really greasy and grimy, use your old 99 beforehand and let it completely dry before you put this on. And you just rotate it, put it on. You don't have to press real hard. And this will work on any plastic. Look how beautiful that is right there. Just gorgeous. We'll do the front of it too. And as I said, this will last so long. And you can do any plastic. I could do this Keurig if I wanted. Little rig. See that? Nice and shiny and black. Mr. Know-It-All out.